Welcome to our channel. Ready to permanently delete your LinkedIn account? Follow these careful steps to remove your professional profile and all associated data from the platform. Step 1. Log into LinkedIn using a web browser. The deletion process must be completed on the website, not through the mobile app. Step 2. Click your profile picture and select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. This opens your account management options. Step 3. Navigate to Account Preferences in the left sidebar. Look for the Account Management section. Step 4. Click on Close Account under Account Management. LinkedIn will show you what happens when you close your account. Step 5. Select a reason for leaving from the provided options. This helps LinkedIn understand why users leave the platform. Step 6. Enter your account password to verify your identity. This security step ensures only you can delete your account. Step 7. Click Next and then Close Account to confirm. Your account will be closed immediately. Step 8. Check your email for confirmation. LinkedIn sends a confirmation email and keeps your data for 20 days in case you change your mind. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.